The Sea Wolf. The Sea Wolf by Jack London is narrated by a wealthy intellectual man named Humphrey Van Weyden, who is rescued from a capsized ferry boat in San Francisco Bay. At least he thinks he's being rescued. In reality, the captain of the ship, Wolf Larsen, actually intends to force Van Weyden to work for him. Van Weyden, unused to physical labor, struggles at first. It doesn't help that Wolf is a cruel, brutal, and selfish man. Wolf enjoys talking to Van Weyden, however, because they are both intellectuals. Although Larsen is not formally schooled, he is a deep thinker and has read a lot. After a few months at sea, Van Weyden realizes that he has become much stronger and tougher, something that he uses to his advantage when he finally escapes from Wolf's ship. He and another prisoner of Wolf's, a woman named Maud Brewster, steal a small boat when Wolf is incapacitated with a terrible headache. They land on a deserted island where they set up camp and plan what to do next. Several days later, Wolf's ship crashes into the island. Van Weyden and Brewster are kind to Wolf and try to help him when a stroke leaves him paralyzed. Wolf is rude and belligerent to them. Brewster and Van Weyden repair the ship and set sail, taking Wolf with them. He dies shortly thereafter, and they bury him at sea. Later, they are rescued. Though The Sea Wolf received some criticism for its overall narrative structure, it was also praised for combining an adventure story with such deep philosophical themes. The character of Wolf Larsen, the Sea Wolf of the title, has stood the test of time as one of the most powerful in literature.